A vow is a solemn promise, a solemnly promise to do greater things in the name of love. So, lagi natin tandaan, ang Diyos ay
Today, I renew my commitment to stand beside you, grow with you, laugh with you, and love you. We have spent the last 25 years of marriage.
Francis, when I promised to be your wife 25 years ago, I vowed to stand beside you, to better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish you every day, until death do us part.